Bye, what's poppin', y'all? It's your boy OK Bet, aka K Trades, man. We back. I know it's been a minute. You know, taking personal time off. Just the market's been choppy. Ain't really much to do. Probably getting 1-2 trades a day. Chilling, low key. Getting ready for school. Y'all know I'm going back to college. This probably be my last semester. Though. I don't know. I'm probably not doing it after this, bro. I thought it'd be something cool. Okay, cool. College might be fun. No. But let's get into these charts, man. Let's see what happened today. Another range-bound day. Overnight move, huge. Nothing, one spike, and then just chop rest of the day. Look at these daily charts. This daily chart's nuts, bro. Look at this. Almost all of these just inside both ways. Well, this one was pretty, I mean, either way, we kind of been, making some good money on these either way it goes. But today got stopped out on the first set of calls and then hit 100%. Hit 100%, hit 50%. So, it battles out, it evens out. But, man, today was, bro, price action was nuts. I told everybody, I was like, we got like a 40-cent range. So this was the move I was looking for, honestly. And it happened pretty much overnight. Like, we got that kind of green push up out of this overnight, but we just didn't hold, right? See. We got the move just overnight. And this is why I'm going to start switching to futures, man. I ain't going to lie. This is why I'm about to switch to futures, bro. This price action, like, if we're not getting some crazy something, bro, we really just, little scalp here. I mean, it's cool, you're still making profit, but these conditions are not the best. Remember, we only want direction, right? We want continuation in either direction, right? We don't care if it goes down, don't care if it goes up, right? Last week, it wasn't as bad because we were swinging, but intraday trading, that shit was pretty tough on some of the days. So inside day, yet again. Oh, one thing to look at where we are. Everything is flat right now, right? The the daily SMAs are absolutely flat. Today, bro, we literally were in this 40-cent range. It was like a 40-cent range. We could not escape it. So that's why I was like, bro, we're just chilling to the end of the day. End of the day, caught a little my fuck, got this smoke in my eye. Got a little 100% pop, and that was pretty much it. Like I said, 5 in the 20. If this crosses under, y'all know that's bad, right? If this is like a bounce, then it should be very violent. And I do also have this kind of falling wedge type, pattern going on down here at this previous support. We got a full day. So if this isn't gonna hold, right? Like I said, if this is gonna be a golden cross, mind you, we also have the anchor VWAP from that original low, right? So we're on it. We ain't broke it yet. That's why I haven't been really wanting to swing shorts. But we also just haven't popped for either, So you put those together, you kind of are in this place of really just waiting, just patience. Look, lowering volume, volume's going down. Volume's, like all these moves where they kind of get a fake out, volume goes down for a little bit, and then if the volume does pick up and we do pop, NVDA earnings, whatever, then I will be looking to retest back up here 775, right? Get back above 768, clear 71, and then, like I said, back up, and then possibly all-time highs. If not, right, let's say we do lose this, remember? Turn all this off. Let's say we do lose anchor VWAP, SMAs, all that good stuff. Boom, 765, 762 become resistance, right? Then we do have the original all-time high. Of course, it's that 760, and the next level I'd be watching for is around 758 down here to 754. All right, so with NVIDIA earnings, hopefully they give us some sort of confirmation, right, for either way it goes. And for NVIDIA, I want to play earnings, but every time the earnings just drop, I feel like. So I kind of want to play earnings puts, I'm not going to lie. And then even for the monthly, like, the monthly does look kind of good, but if we can't get back above, this high's close up here at 210, right? We've been having problems up here at 210, 215. Then it is what it is, right? Then we come back down to the support, 195s, back to the 180s. And like I said, we'll see. It might be flat, so be careful if you are playing those earnings. Let's check out the VIX and the dollar. VIX in that spot, right? We kind of got that. Remember we talked about last week how we kind of reached on this towards that 14. Towards this 14, it does get a little harder for it to, kind of continue down through this, right? Like it does, and then you get these kind of quick little, spikes up. And that's why we've been cool with going short the past few days. We were kind of down here, and we were on SPY, kind of overextended to the upside, so it was kind of easier to take those puts and stuff like that today. But again, we're gonna be watching above 1650. If we can get back up there, then SPY might actually start to kind of roll over a little bit. Right, we might actually start rolling into the see, look, overnight action, bro. This is why I want to do futures. It would have been easy, long here, short here, bro. What? But so we might see 760 tomorrow, right, with earnings. Let's say we get back below, boom. This is gonna cross down. This is gonna cross under. We can't. If this isn't just a nasty spike up here, right, then buy out, right, 670, 75, and then right, we already went over the levels, but yeah, that's kind of what I'm watching. Remember, always look at the higher time frames as well, just for that confirmation, right? Smaller time frames are cool and all, but today was one of those things that why we didn't trade as much, right? We took that first one, was like, oh no, we're not gonna do this, right? So you have to remember that we want continuation in either direction, right? So when we're intraday trading, you want to see 30-minute, hourly, like in a single direction, right? Like you break the level, continue, like you want to see, just that solid move, right? You don't want to see this and then, this and then this. Like, this isn't good for trading continuation. Obviously, scalping, like I said, but not everyone is good at scalping. Not everybody knows when to get in and out for a quick little, you know what I'm saying? I got in and out for a quick little 100% right here, but it still was like one of those things where it just happened, right? One candle, bang, buy out of there. So, remember, watch your time frames, watch your volume, watch these moving averages. This doesn't look good. This might cross under, and we probably get a little quick bounce. That's what I'm saying. Maybe pre-earnings. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know, but we'll be prepared either way it goes. All right. So above today's close and today's high, we have 768. All right. Below today's close and today's low, we still got that wick down here to clear, and then we have what is this? Monday's low of my phone's right here. I can't see. 762, right? And then, like I said, I'm still watching the 760, but I'm just not swinging short into it because look at we all want it, right? Everybody's been wanting the 760 for what, almost a full four days now, right? We kind of wanted it up here. We thought we kind of, like went up, came down, got close, went up, went down. You know what I'm saying? So they're never gonna make the move as easy for us, especially if they've been kind of, we've been kind of getting paid pretty good. I ain't gonna lie, they've been kind of blessing us with some good stuff. So look, boom, boom, you got your flag. Remember, watch for fake outs. If we do get some sort of move down tomorrow and then it starts to do this, like, be careful because they could just use earnings to shoot it back up, right? Or vice versa. If we do start to get some sort of relief into tomorrow without a retest, right? Let's say we just go, we don't get a retest, and then we probably start coming down in the day. I'm going to be expecting a trap, right? So, what else? MSFT. Is it Microsoft? Somebody did something today. Oh, no, Microsoft is still kind of bouncing off. And look, see, this is what I mean. Like, they can kind of meet together and it bounce, but it has to kind of, you got to kind of get that confirmation, right? Got to consolidate above the 5, retest, cool. So if we can continue back over 490, let's see, 490 right there, perfect. If we can hold over this long-term Microsoft, I like long-term Microsoft, and Amazon as well, I think it was. Yeah, I like Amazon. Amazon hold us when we were trying to get that all-time high over here, but it finally gave it to us. But it went fast, right? But like I said, I still love it. I still like it long term. Amazon is just one of those things that, everybody uses. We're probably gonna always use. I don't see nothing changing anytime soon. So watch this, right? This kind of like falling wedge almost into this previous high. So wait for the break of like 262, you know what I'm saying? And then I also like long terms back up here, 270s, back up to 8, all the way up to possibly 300s over time. So these are my kind of long term plays. So we're looking at the 12-hour chart. This is not a 1 hour chart. This is not a 5 minutes, 12-hour chart. So make sure y'all paying attention to the time frames. If something's gonna take a long time, if you're studying on the 30-minute, cool, you can use that for intraday, you know what I'm saying? But if you're using like a 4-hour, 12-hour daily, like, you know what I'm saying, you want to use those longer time frames for confirmation. So just be careful. I forgot to put my Dr. Pepper in the freezer. Dang it. Yeah, man, be patient. Take care of yourself mentally. I love you guys. yeah, keep God first. Keep it simple. Remember, if you keep it simple, it'll be simple. If you make it complicated, it'll be complicated. Y'all don't want to hit me on the socials. You know what I'm saying? Hit me on the gram. Okay, bet. Yeah, and that'll be it. And then hopefully, tomorrow we'll go live, man. I know it's been a while since we went live, but we'll probably do live for a little power hour. Get ready for NVDA earnings, and we'll kind of see how that goes. So, yeah, almost beat 10 minutes, but yeah, see you guys. Peace.